Welcome to the Deer Harbor Marina on the southwestern side of Orcas Island in the San Juan Islands. Known for its laid-back atmosphere, this marina offers moorage for boats up to 110 feet long with free Wi-Fi, water, and 30-amp power hookups. Guests also receive free use of the on-site pool. The marina also has a fuel and pump-out dock, laundry, restroom, showers, plus a small grocery and a restaurant. Temp ties can be had at the county dock, which is just north of the fuel dock. In the off-season, moorage is first come, first serve, but for the high season, you can make a reservation. You'll typically be assigned a slip on the C, D, or E docks. Once you're ashore, you'll find a quiet village vibe with many activities to enjoy the sound like kayaking, fishing, and whale watching. Watch the related video to see an on-the-water approach to the Deer Harbor Marina. Thank you, and please hit the subscribe button.